Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate to you a software just I have built for joining three CSV file. Uh, this software actually accept three CSV file and output a join CSV file based on fuzzy matching technique. So user can uh, specify their fuzzy matching logic or based on column CSV column so that output result can join those three CSV file. To demonstrate this, at first I'm going to show you three CSV file what I'm using for this purpose. This is CSV1. I want to call this one is actually the master CSV file, which have higher record than other two CSV file. I have used simple four field, um, not four column. One is business name, city, state, and zip code. I have used data for US states and cities. Another two file is actually have less data compared to the master file. Uh, the difference between the first file and second and third file is that the master file have lot of data, and the second and third CSV which have some common data with the master, the CSV file 1, but uh, the spelling in some places the spelling is different. So during recording this data, this is a spelling mistake or with the actual master file. So we're going to use my software to join those common data together using fuzzy matching technique. So user can upload these three files and can easily join this file together. So let me run this project. You can see whenever I run this project, there's three places to select those three CSV files. So let's select those files one by one. Now if we hit upload button, it will read those CSV files and upload its data into the system. Now we can see the list of columns available for this CSV we have selected here. So CSV1 have this column, 2 have these columns, 3 has these columns, and this fuzzy matching threshold, actually the threshold value we are going to use for matching the strings. So we can specify here the values, percentage of values, that if any string matches this percentage or higher than this, then we can take this these two strings similar or same data from same data. So we can specify those here, and below part is for the custom column expression for fuzzy matching. So we can specify the matching set here. How can we map those columns? So let's say we will use two column for this. Column 1 business name, CSV 2 business name, and CSV 3 business name. So let's say says cities, city, and city. We can also specify other fields to match those fuzzy matching, match those columns to join all of this data. So based on this mapping, system will try to fuzzy match those columns value and try to join those datas together. So now let's we have join this 3 CSV file using join button. Now you can see this table display the joining data of 3 CSV file. Whenever any matching field found for these two columns, based on these rules, the system actually join and take common field from the master data and ignore others. Let's say for the 3 CSV I show you some fields. Let's say this field we use Texas. This slight spelling mistake of Texas and this one for Chicago. So how do system match? Actually it matches, sorry, pardon me, this one Texas and Chicago. So let's say let's take one from the master file Texas, the actual spelling from the master file. Let's see what is this. This is vegetable shop business and San Antonio and Texas. So this field also present in file 2 vegetable shop San Antonio Texas, but slightly different spelling. So the system actually identify this spelling difference, and it's actually identified that these two data is same data, so it actually take this data from the master file and display here. Similarly, other fields like the Chicago from this file, California spelling mistake, all of these are detected by the system and actually take the data from the master file. And if we notice that there is another data called blogging Columbus, Ohio. This is not present in master file. Okay, so but in join condition it joins and add those file here, add those datas here. So this is actually clean joining condition. We can say union based on this column matching, fuzzy matching technique. So after all of this, if we hit download button, then you can save a copy of this join data here. Now we can see the join data into another CSV file. So this is very much the system, how it's work. Thank you very much for